Hi folks, Darren Castville here from DRC Print. I wanted to share with you quickly just how to put your frames together. You're going to be getting two. For each frame, you're going to need 2 elbows. You're going to need 2 T's. You're going to need 2 of the long PVC poles and then 2 of the short ones. And then with your panel just like this, it's already prepped and ready to go. What we're going to do is we're going to prep our long ones. And so what I like to do is take the black that you see, I put that towards the back. So I'm going to put 1 T on there. I'm going to put another T on that direction, and then we'll go ahead and start putting them together. Remember, these will go in through the bottom, so I'm just going to slide it through the tube. I'll take this one and slide it as well right through the tube as well for your pocket. Take a short one, we're going to slide it through. Again, I'll make the black marks towards the back, and I'll go ahead and just slide that in. I'll take the other side and just push that one in as well. So now your bottom parts are already assembled. All we've got to do now is just take and put our tube right through the top. Again, I put the black markings towards the back. I put my elbows on there, and then all we've got to do is just kind of turn it towards the holes towards you, and then just kind of pull it right above those holes. And when we do that, we set it right on the ground, push them right down, and we're ready to go. Now, if it does look a little crooked when you're doing it, set it down. You can move it back and forth this way. That will help you to get it straight, and you're ready to go. And then all you need to do is just attach your clips, and then we can attach our panels just like this. And we're ready to go with our panels. If you have any questions, feel free to just email us or shoot us a phone call, and we'll help you out. Thanks again, and enjoy your day.